Now let us go in detail procedure for the incorporation of company. Till now we have understood the promotion, certificate of incorporation, commencement of business. Now let us go, sir, if you want to start the company, what is the actual procedure, final procedure we have to follow. So let us go one by one. First one is digital signature. Understand what do you mean by this one? First understand the meaning of digital signature here. It doesn't mean that I'll give a signature and I'll scan this signature into the computer. That is not the digital signature here. Digital signature means here, I'll give the example. Have you seen certain PDFs which will be opened only after giving certain password? Firstly give that password, then only that PDF will be open here. Yes or no? So giving that password is nothing but giving your signature here. Got it? Giving your signature here. So hence the one who is preparing this PDF, he will give two passwords into this PDF. One will be his own and other one, second password, he will share with anyone to whom he want to send. I'll give the example here. Thoda confusion hai, but understand. Mr. A, he want to send certain documents to Mr. B which no one should see. So what he will do? He will encrypt a PDF and he will give two passwords. One password for him and other password he will encrypt and he will give that password to Mr. B and will say to Mr. B, my dear B, if you want to open this password, you have to give your signature, and this signature, this password will be your signature. That is called digital signature. Got it? So this digital signature will be used whenever we have to send or we have to file any electronic form here. Got it? In India, understand please carefully here, whenever you want to start a company, first step is you have to get the digital signature certificate. Got it? So obtain digital signature certificate from authorized digital signature issuing authority. In India, there are certain authorities who are authorized to issue digital signature here. So we have to go to them, make application and then get the digital signature certificate. For what purpose? For submitting all the e-forms, electronic form to the ROC. Got it? So first step is obtaining digital signature. Now second one is director identification number. Understand? The one who want to become director, firstly they should have one number. That number will be called as director identification number, compulsory. Got it? And in India, only central government can issue this director identification number. So if I want to become a director, I have to make application to the central government, and then central government, if they are satisfied, they'll give me one number. That number will be called as director identification number. It will be unique. It means it is similar to that of Aadhaar card. Unique. This number will be given for you only and not for everyone. And once this number is given, again you don't need to make application for this DIN. Like I'll give the example. Today I become the director of one company called ORYLL. After 2 years, I am starting one more company, sir. So again I need to get this DIN? No. You make application and get DIN only one time in your life. Once central government is allotting, it will have validity for your entire life. Till you are alive, this DIN number can be used. Got it here? So every time you don't need to give this DIN number. You don't need to apply for this DIN. Once allotted, that will be in permanent form here, as like your Aadhaar card. Got it? You can update the information, but that number will not be changed here. Got it? So the one who want to become director, they have to make application to whom? To the central government for obtaining unique director identification number, which will be very unique and will be given to you. That number will not be given to anyone else here. Same number will not be given to anyone else here, and it will have validity for your entire life. Enjoy. After having this DIN, now the third stage is make application to the ROC for the reservation of name. Understand? If you want to start a company, firstly you should have the name for your company. Whether that name is available or not is what important. I want to start a company in the name of Wipro. Can I start a company in the name of Wipro? No, sir. Already that company is in existing. Asa, sir. Can I start one company called Tata? No, sir. That company is also in existing here. Yes or no? So hence I have to give 3 alternative names to the ROC, and ROC will check out whether this name is available or not. But the names which I am giving to the ROC, that name should not be similar to that of other company, should not be identical with that of other company. Got it? It should not resemble the name of other company here. Then ROC will make preliminary inquiry. If this name is available, then ROC will reserve this name for how many days here? For 60 days. Got it here? For 60 days here. Now, after reserving the name, fourth step is preparation of memorandum and articles. Now the name is reserved. Now in that reserved name only you have to prepare the memorandum and you have to prepare the articles here. Got it? In this memorandum and articles you have to give the particulars of subscriber, how many shares they are buying, what all are their names, what are their address, everything you have to give. Nothing but the people who are starting this company, 2 persons, subscriber in case of private company and 7 subscriber in case of a public company. So you have to give this particulars. Got it? So this was the fourth step. Now fifth step is statutory declaration from the professional. What do you mean by this one? See, let us say I am a doctor. Do you think that I will know the commerce field here? No. Why? Because I am into the doctor field, I am into the medical field here. I know all requirements there, but I don't know anything about the incorporation of company. Still I want to start a company. Can I start? Yes, I can start. But sir, what is the proof that you have complied with all the rules and regulations? Why? Because you don't know anything here. Hence, after preparing the memorandum and articles here, this memorandum and articles we have to take to certain professionals like chartered accountants, company secretary, CMA, lawyer, and we'll say to them, boss, you have more knowledge in this field. You go through these documents, and if you are satisfied that we have complied with all the requirements, we have followed all the laws, then please give your signature. Then these persons, professional, they will give their signature and they will give something in a writing that yes, we have completed all the requirements of Companies Act. We have prepared the memorandum articles as per the Companies Act 2013 here. Got it? Sixth step is affidavit from the subscriber of memorandum. What do you mean by this one? Understand here? The promoters, they are also called as subscriber who are starting the company here. They should also give something in writing on bond paper, that is called affidavit here. That is called affidavit. What they have to write on the bond paper? They have to write down that whatever the information we wrote in the memorandum and article is correct. Our names are correct, our address are correct, our Aadhaar card name, Aadhaar card numbers are correct here. So whatever the information we are giving, this information is correct and complete. Got it here? And we have not convicted any fraud or any other things here in connection to the incorporation of a company here. Means we are purely Sida Sada and Bhola Bhala person here. We are not a criminal. Got it? We are not found guilty under the Companies Act during the last 5 years. So this declaration has to be write down on a bond paper. This also has to be filed with the ROC. So this was the sixth step. Now seventh step is consent of directors. The one who want to become directors of the company, they have to give their consent in writing that yes, voluntarily I want to become the director of this company. Can I say to someone, if you are not becoming the director, I will kill you? No, voluntarily they should come. So hence we have to get the consent of directors that who want to become the director. So they have to give again in writing that voluntarily I want to become the director of this company. So this was the seventh step. Now eighth one is appointment of power of attorney. What do you mean by this one? See, I am a very busy person. I may have this much of time, I may not have here, but if I am busy with some other activities here, there should be some person who should file all these documents with the ROC, who should get the company registered. If ROC is asking any question, that person should answer. So what I will do is, I will appoint one person, that person will be called as a power of attorney here. Why? To fulfill all these formalities here. Got it? So we have to appoint one person called power of attorney for fulfilling various formalities under the incorporation of a company. This was the eighth step. Now ninth step. After having all this thing done, take all these documents, go to the ROC and say to them, take all these documents. Got it? Means don't say like this one, submit all these documents here. Got it? Then ROC on the basis of information file. If they are satisfied that yes, we have complied with all the rules and regulations and we have filed all the documents correctly, then they will register the company and then they will issue one certificate. That certificate will be called as a certificate of incorporation along with the number called corporate identification number. In short form we are calling that as a CIN, corporate identification number. Now your company will be having one number also, that number will be called as corporate identification number here. Got it? So this was the 9th step. Now let us go for the 10th step. Verification for registered office. What do you mean with this one? Sir, first thing remember here, when I am starting the company at the time of incorporation, I may have the office, I may not have the office. It is not compulsory. But law says here, once you incorporate the company, within 15 days compulsory you should have the registered office here. So hence company shall have one registered office within how many days here? Within 15 days here. Yes or no? We have to file with the ROC saying that yes, we have a registered office. So within how many days we should have the registered office here? 15 days. But we have to inform to the ROC also. So hence within the 30 days you have to file one verification of registered office with the ROC saying that Dek ROC, now we have the registered office also here. So within 15 days first you should have the registered office, and this 15 days starting from the date of incorporation, and within 30 days you have to file with the ROC verification of registered office here. So this was the 10th step here. Now 11th and the last step is maintenance of documents and information. See, whatever the documents we have prepared now, whatever the documents we are filing, information we are filing here, all these documents and information we have to maintain and we have to preserve at our registered office till company is alive here. So hence maintenance of documents and information regarding to the incorporation shall be maintained and preserved at registered office till the dissolution of a company. So this is the detailed steps or procedure for the incorporation of a company.